This video, we are going to discuss about epics. Actually, for this demonstration, I am taking free version of the Jira software. In fact, for free and standard pricing plan of Jira software, there are three levels of hierarchy. The highest level of the hierarchy is the epic, and epic can have standard issue types as chains. What does it mean? Epic can be broken down into a number of user stories. Here, the stories may be tasks or bugs or a story, and these standard issue types, that is story, task, and bug, can have tails. What does it mean? The standard issue types also can be broken down into subtasks. So this is the three-level hierarchy system in free or the standard pricing plan. Epics, standard issue types, and subtasks. So now, what is meant by epic? See, usually a project can be broken down into initiatives, and these initiatives further can be broken down into epics. And those epics can be further broken down into standard issue types, and the standard issue types can be further broken down into subtasks. So this is the hierarchy what our software industries are following. So coming to definition of the epic, epic is a large chunk of work which can be broken down into a number of user stories. Okay, so for this video, I am taking a company managed project and which was created by using Scrum template. So let me pick the project. So here project to test epic. So this is my software project and this is a company managed project and this was created by using Scrum template. So for this project, I have three ways to create epic. The first way is this global create button. So by using this, you can create an epic in this project. So this is the project and this is the epic. And see here, there are two mandatory fields if you want to create an epic by using create button. The first one is epic name. So you have to give the epic name from create button. This is the epic summary. Let me write this as epic summary simple to keep simple. Let me create it. Yes, I have created an epic, but actually this epic doesn't visible on this board because the sprint actually started. So this goes into backlog. Okay. So if you go to the backlog, there you can see the newly created epic. So epic name from create button. This is actually we have created now. So this is the first way. The second way is roadmap. So here you have the create epic option. The best thing of this option is here you don't need to fill the two fields, that is epic name and epic summary. Okay, you just click on create epic. Okay, epic from roadmap without using two fields, okay, something like that. Let me create this. Yes, now we have created another epic. So here I have not filled the two fields, right. I have just given the name of the summary. But see here, epic name is also filled with the details what we have given for the summary. So both epic name and epic summary are having same field value. Okay. So this is the way to create an epic from the roadmap. Okay. Next, the third way is if you go to the backlog and if you go to the epic section, and here you have option to create epic. Again, you have to give epic from backlog, epic summary, epic summary from backlog. Okay. So by using the create epic option in the backlog, also you need to enter the field values for both epic name and epic summary. Then only you can create epic. But in case of roadmap, it becomes easy because you need to give only one value. Okay. So that the epic name also get filled in roadmap. So yes, these are the three ways to create epic in software project, that is especially in company managed, and that company managed is having a Scrum template. Okay, thank you.